Do the hard work, especially when you don't feel like it. This is the feeling I feel I need to remind myself every day. In Friday, I feel that I don't need to talk to anyone. I feel like really antisocial that day. But I am reminded myself that do the hard work. You will feel very grateful for that. I need to talk to two girls, and my mood was that यार क्या करेगा तू यार मत बात कर. But I still commanded my legs and gone to speak to them. What happened that I feel really grateful and I feel really happy that day. Even though my bus got late, but that happiness stays really long in my mind. So do the hard work, especially when you don't feel like it. This is the lesson I learned yesterday. And the second lesson I learned that don't eat bullshit during the lunch. Whenever I eat peasants food like roti, naan, chawal, khare, that will give you brain fog. And this brain fog will haunt you in these lectures. Like you will get sleepiness, like in drunken mood. So eat less food. This is the two lessons I learned in this week. Like the video, subscribe the channel, share the video, and do the hard work, especially when you don't feel like it. अच्छा है, प्रोकास्टिनेट करने वाला था वीडियो को. बाय.